If you've ever wished you could turn any PDF into an audiobook, maybe for multitasking, accessibility, or just giving your eyes a break, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through how to use Adobe Acrobat's built-in Read Out Loud feature to listen to any PDF file. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get your computer to read documents aloud, customize the voice and speed, and troubleshoot common issues, so you can enjoy hands-free reading whenever you want. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader and load your PDF document. Just like cracking open a book, this is your starting point. Whether you're reviewing a dense report, a lengthy ebook, or some study notes, having your document ready makes everything smoother. If you haven't got Acrobat installed, just grab the free Reader version. It works perfectly for this feature. Next up, activating the Read Out Loud tool. Take a look at the top menu bar and click on View. Hover your mouse over Read Out Loud, and you'll see an option to activate Read Out Loud. Click that, and you're ready to unlock your PDF's voice. For those who love keyboard shortcuts to save time, here's a handy tip. On Windows, just hit Shift plus Control plus Y, and if you're on a Mac, use Shift plus Command plus Y. It's kind of like flipping a switch that wakes up your computer's narrator. Now, let's get your document talking. You've got a couple of options depending on what you need. If you want the software to read the entire document from your current position, go back to View, Read Out Loud, and choose Read to End of Document. Perfect for long articles, or if you just want to sit back and take it all in. If you need to focus on just the current page, maybe you're reviewing a single chapter or section, you can select Read this page only. I find this super useful for breaking study material into digestible chunks. And here's a neat trick. You can click anywhere on the page, and Acrobat will start reading at that exact spot. It's like asking someone to start in the middle of a conversation, so you never have to listen to stuff you've already gone over. Once the words are being read aloud, you might notice the voice or speed isn't quite to your liking. Good news. You can fine-tune the entire experience. To adjust the voice or how quickly the narration flows, go to Edit Preferences. On a Mac, this might be under the Acrobat menu. A quick search in your menu bar will get you there. Look for the Reading category in the Preferences pane. Here, in the Read Out Loud Options section, you can tweak the volume and the words per minute to match your comfort level. If the default voice feels too robotic or not engaging enough, deselect Use Default Voice and pick any installed voice from the drop-down list. Some operating systems have a variety of voices, so try a few out and see which one is easiest for you to follow. Don't forget to click OK to save these changes. A quick heads up. This reading feature works best with PDFs that have machine-readable text, so documents made in Word or exported properly. If your PDF is just scanned images of text, Acrobat may not be able to read it aloud. In that case, you'll need an OCR tool to convert those images to selectable text first. Think of it like teaching your computer to recognize real handwriting versus just looking at a photograph. That's it. Now you know how to make Adobe Acrobat your personal audiobook narrator. Give this a try on your next PDF. Whether it's study notes, work reports, or even newsletters. If you found this video helpful, please tap that like button and drop any questions or troubleshooting headaches in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one, so you never miss a tech tip that could make your life easier. Thanks for watching and happy listening.